In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message on your WhatsApp group chat. But first, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. So, let's get right into this video. What you want to do first is click on the group chat that you want, and then look for the message that you want to pin. For in my case, I'll click on this. So what you have to do is long press this message, and then you'll see a star icon on top. So star icons are basically the pinned message version of WhatsApp. So all I have to do is click on the starred message. So once that's done, if I want to unpin the message, all I have to do is long press again and click on the star icon again. So to actually search for all the starred messages or pinned messages on your group chat, just click on the 3-button icon on top right, and then look for group info, and after that just click on starred messages. And then here you go. That's where all the starred messages will be on your WhatsApp group chat. That's basically all there is to this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.